Are you still hoarding your savings in a bank account, watching its value slowly diminish with inflation? It's time to unlock the secrets of wealth growth. Welcome to our exclusive guide, 7 assets that are better than cash. Don't keep your cash in the bank. Today, we're diving into assets that not only preserve but potentially multiply your wealth. From the lustrous allure of precious metals to the digital power of social media followers, we've got groundbreaking insights for you. So if you're ready to transform your financial future, hit that subscribe button and embark on this wealth-building journey with us. Asset 7. Stock market. Investing in the stock market is akin to gaining a stake in the corporate world. When you buy stocks, you essentially acquire a piece of ownership in publicly traded companies, making you a part of their journey and success. Stocks stand out due to their potential for capital appreciation. As the company grows, so does the value of your investment. Additionally, many companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends, providing an extra income stream. To navigate the stock market effectively, a strategic approach is essential. This involves conducting in-depth research into company performance, market trends, and future prospects. Diversifying your portfolio across various sectors and industries is a prudent way to mitigate risk, as it reduces the impact of any single stock's performance on your overall investment. And set 6. Real estate. Real estate stands as a cornerstone in the world of investments, revered for its tangible nature, potential for income generation, and long-term appreciation. This asset class, encompassing both residential and commercial properties, offers a dual benefit. It provides a steady stream of rental income and serves as a vehicle for wealth accumulation over time. One of the key attributes of real estate investment is its ability to act as a buffer against inflation. Typically, as the cost of living increases, so do rental rates and property values. This characteristic makes real estate a strategic choice for those looking to safeguard their investments against the eroding effects of inflation. Additionally, owning property offers a sense of security and control that is often absent in more volatile investment avenues. However, the path to successful real estate investment isn't without its challenges. It requires a comprehensive understanding of the market, including factors like location, property type, and market trends. Due diligence in assessing the property's condition, understanding the legalities of ownership, and effective property management are also critical components. Asset 5. Limited edition collectibles. In the world of alternative investments, limited edition collectibles occupy a unique niche, blending personal passion with potential profit. This category extends across a diverse range of items, including luxury watches, designer shoes, rare books, and other exclusive collectibles. These items are not merely possessions. They embody a blend of craftsmanship, history, and exclusivity, making them highly desirable to collectors. The allure of these collectibles lies in their rarity and the story they tell. A limited edition watch, for instance, isn't just a timepiece. It's a work of art, often crafted with meticulous attention to detail and in limited quantities. Similarly, first edition books or designer shoes released in a limited run carry with them a sense of exclusivity that can significantly drive up their value over time. However, investing in limited edition collectibles is not just about purchasing and waiting for the item to appreciate. It requires a thorough understanding of the market and the specific item. Factors like the item's history, condition, rarity, and demand play a crucial role in its potential appreciation. For example, a watch from a renowned brand with a storied history may be more likely to increase in value than a lesser-known brand. Asset 4. Commodities. Commodities, the bedrock of tangible asset investment, offer a broad spectrum for diversification and protection against inflation. This category encompasses essential goods ranging from energy sources like oil and natural gas to a variety of metals and agricultural products. The strategic inclusion of commodities in an investment portfolio serves as a counterbalance to more volatile assets, thereby reducing overall risk. The intrinsic value of commodities often shines during times of For instance, assets like oil and precious metals historically tend to increase in value when the cost of living rises. This characteristic makes them a potentially effective shield against the eroding effects of inflation on purchasing power. Euhaster is simple. As the value of currency wanes, the worth of tangible, usable goods often climbs. However, it's critical to understand that the commodities market is subject to its own set of complexities. Factors such as global economic trends, geopolitical dynamics, and even environmental factors can significantly impact commodity prices. For example, a disruption in oil supply due to geopolitical tensions. Similarly, agricultural commodities can be affected by weather patterns and climate change. Asset 3. Email lists. In the digital realm of e-commerce and online entrepreneurship, the significance of an email list cannot be overstated. It represents a direct and personal channel to a group of individuals who have not just stumbled upon your brand, but have chosen. These are people who've signaled their interest in your products or services by subscribing to your updates, making them a uniquely valuable audience. An email list offers a level of access and influence that other platforms struggle to match. Unlike social media, where algorithms dictate visibility, emails land directly in subscribers' inboxes, providing a consistent and unfiltered line of communication. This direct connection allows for more personalized and targeted marketing strategies, which can significantly enhance customer engagement and loyalty. The strength of an email list lies in its ability to drive sales and foster conversions. It's a platform for announcing new products, offering exclusive deals, and providing valuable content, all of which can lead to increased revenue. Asset 2. Social media followers. In today's interconnected digital landscape, the concept of valuable assets has transcended traditional boundaries, ushering in the era of social media followers as a form of influential currency. This shift is not just a trend, but a fundamental change in how influence, marketing, and communication operate. For content creators, influencers, and businesses, an extensive and engaged social media following is not just a number. It represents potential, opportunity, and financial gain. The power of a robust social media presence is multifaceted. Firstly, it's about reach and visibility. An influencer or business with a substantial follower base can convey their message to a broader audience, increasing their brand's footprint. This visibility often translates into brand collaborations and partnerships, with companies willing to invest significantly in individuals or brands that can sway public opinion or consumer behavior. Asset 1. Precious metals. When we explore assets that have consistently held their value across centuries, precious metals undoubtedly emerge at the forefront. This category extends beyond the well-known gold and silver, encompassing others like platinum and palladium. These metals are not just rare. They embody a legacy of value recognized globally. Diving deeper, gold and silver have been cornerstones in financial systems for ages. Their allure isn't just historical, it's rooted in their tangible, intrinsic value. Unlike fiat currencies, whose values are subject to the whims of government policies and inflationary pressures, precious metals offer a more stable store of value. This stability becomes particularly evident during periods of economic turbulence. For instance, in times of inflation or currency devaluation, gold's price often rises, showcasing its role as a financial safe haven. Similarly, silver, while more volatile, has diverse industrial uses, bolstering its demand and value retention. Platinum and palladium, though less mainstream, have gained traction due to their industrial applications, especially in automotive catalytic converters. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey through alternative wealth-building assets. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like and comment below. We'd love to hear which asset intrigued you the most. Also, make sure to subscribe for more empowering financial content.